Short stories from the Rookery of birds in the breeding season. The objective is to provide a safe and secure environment for its brood. Snowy egrets leave their nest within 20 days. They perch at the water's edge to learn how to forage for nutrition. The wood stork has a wingspan of approximately 5 to 5.5 feet. Their wingspan is one of the distinguishing features of these large, wading birds. It is often used to protect the nestling from the sun. Unpaired wood storks sometimes kill nestlings, often in response to food scarcity or when food is scarce, or when they are trying to take over another nest. Tricolored heron shares hunting and caring for chicks. The juvenile snowy egrets are learning survival skills. They practice standing at the water's edge and snatching up passing small fish. Now it is time for this snowy egret to take its position on the nest. Red-winged blackbirds spend the breeding season in wet places like fresh or saltwater marshes and rice paddies. Occasionally, red-winged blackbirds nest in wooded areas along waterways. Male red-winged blackbirds spend much of the breeding season sitting on a high perch over their territories and singing their hearts out. Both males and females defend nests from intruders and predators, getting too close to their nest. The red-winged blackbird swings into action. Peace returns to their territories. Red-winged blackbird. Females choose the nest site with some input from the male. Typically, she puts the nest near the ground or water surface in a marsh in dense, grass-like vegetation such as cattails. The male red-winged blackbird keeps on singing. Great egrets breed in mixed colonies. They are often the first species to arrive, and their presence may induce nesting among other species to start their breeding season. When it is time to mate. The males court females near the nest site. Males bow down, grab a twig, and then stretch their head straight up while snapping the bill. Boat-tailed grackles are inveterate scavengers and pirates. They also take food from humans, domestic animals, and other birds. The alligator's relationship with the birds. It's a give-and-take relationship. Alligators may chow down on a few chicks, but they keep predators, raccoons and snakes, at bay. Short stories from the Rookery of birds in the breeding season.